2 decades after Nigeria reformed a troubled pension system, the National Pension Commission has reaffirmed its commitment to protecting the retirement security of Nigerian workers. At the recent workshop in Abuja, the Commission emphasized that the Contributory Pension Scheme has restored transparency and confidence in the management of retirement funds. Today, more than 10 million Nigerians from both the public and private sectors, including artisans and other self-employed, are enrolled under the scheme. Pension assets have grown to over 25 trillion naira, providing monthly pensions and lump sum benefits to hundreds of thousands of retirees across the country.
The pension scheme has been very successful because we've not had challenges of people saying that we did not receive our pension as when due. So I think it's one program that we have seen very, very successful. If you look about 2 decades ago, it was brought in by President Olusegun Obasanjo. That each government has sustained this scheme and have been able to improve upon it, especially this current government. So I think it's one of the best projects that we've seen through the civilian administration up to date.
Before the reforms, many pensioners were left unpaid for months or even years, as the old defined benefit scheme introduced in 1951 became unsustainable due to corruption and huge liability. The major turnaround came in 2004 when the Contributory Pension Scheme was established, making every worker's account individually funded by both employer and employee contributions.
There has been the will of government to try to improve the welfare of retirees. But beyond that also, there's a gap. And that gap is evident in the fact that there are compliance issues. So that's part of the major problem, compliance, regulation issues. How well has the same government, which actually propounded these policies,
under what PenCom described as a pension revolution 2.0, the Commission has introduced new rules to strengthen accountability, improve service delivery, and enhance contributions protection. It has also developed plans to reintroduce gratuity for civil servants in line with Pension Reform Acts. The federal government's recently approval of over 758 billion naira in bonds to clear long-standing pension arrears has also been described as a major relief for retirees.
2 things must have happened. Is either your organization was not removing it from you, but that scheme says if you have up to four staffs, that means you must be doing the contributing pension scheme. So what it means is that maybe your organization was not remitting it, or yes, that's what it means. And that means it's either 2 ways: they are not remitting it, but they are removing it, or they are not removing it at all, and they didn't remit it. And all these things are criminal. They are criminals. That it's a crime for you to do that, and so it's a criminal offense. And so they have to be taken to court, or whoever was there can be sued. And I think the laws say that you will go to jail for about between 5 to 10 years.
As the nation marks 20 years of contributory pension reforms, experts say Nigeria's pension story, once marred by neglect and unpaid benefits, is steadily becoming a model of transparency, sustainability, and dignity in retirement. Sydney Okafor for Anchor News.